Good morning everyone. My name is Rajkishor Yadav. I am from ITS Engineering College. Today I am going to discuss for loop. What is for loop? The for loop is an entry controlled loop which is used to control the flow of execution of any program. Now I am going to explain syntax of for loop. For initialization, semicolon, then condition, after that semicolon, and then updation. Now in case of for loop, multiple initialization is possible, means we can initialize multiple, for example int I, int j, and multiple condition is allowed as well as multiple updation is also allowed. In for loop we are going to explain with the help of example. We print 1 to 10 number. So how to print 1 to 10 number? I am talking about main program. Main int, only I take one variable I, int I, integer type variable. Now we are using for loop for I is equals to, starting from, we want to start from 1. The initialize I is equals to 1, I is less than 10, I plus plus. After that we printf the value of I in each time %d I. Now get ch. In this code we print 1 to 10 number starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to less than 10, it means print 9. Now we same program we can execute with the help of coding. See here. Now I am going to explain with the help of code. Okay, dear student, so we move on coding screen. Here we write down include studio.h. It means that we include the standard input output header file in our preprocessor directory. Here int main, we are taking int because int is a return type. What is the return type of our program? So we take integer type. Now int I, we take a variable I because we are printing 1 to 10 number. That's why we take I as a integer variable. Then we use for loop for I is equals to 1. Now we initialize the value of I is equals to 1 and there is a condition I is less than or equal to 10, means our I move to 1 to 10. After that we update the value of I plus plus, and then we simply take a curly bracket for our for loop and then we print the value of I, which is used format specifier for the integer is %d and the value of I. Okay, now we want to run this code. Okay, there is a one extra loop. Okay, the error is here. Now run the program. Okay, you see here 1 to 10, but it is a horizontal. You don't know why it is print in horizontal. We want to print it in a vertical, then we used /n, which is generating in new line, generate new line. Now we again print and show the output like this. It is a vertical print from 1 to 10 using for loop. In similar, we want to print or we create a table, then simply you multiply here I into 2, I into 5, I into 10, whatever you want. So suppose I want to find out the table of 2, then we multiply 2, again we compile it and then we run it. Now we see here 2, 4, 6, 8 in table of 2. Now you can again find out the table of 10, 5, 2. Okay, thank you very much.